DeCasa coating protect your marble from staining, it also will allow for restoration from minor damage, such as scratches. I'm going to put a scratch into the marble coating here. First sanding with 5 different grades of sandpaper. The final step of the restoration process is the buffing. You take the buffing pad, which is supplied to you by DeCasa Marble Restoration Kit, apply it to the buffer. You take the buffing compound, it's also supplied from the kit, and you apply it to the marble top. As you can see, we've removed the scratch by the simple process of using the 5 grades of sandpaper, the buffer with the application of the DeCasa compound, and the scratch has been totally removed and the marble is restored to new.